Hello guys, welcome to the video. So let's talk about my next week pair and also the last week pair I was give you. So it did play out kind of, but there was no volume, there was no volatility. So for that reason I didn't take no trade. And this week, next week, I'm gonna see which kind of trade I will take because there will be a lot of opportunities. The last week we was just waiting for that weekly dojis and things, so there was no volatility. And let's talk about the first pair. The first pair is NZD JPY. So the weekly is bearish, as you guys can see. There is a little bit like we close above this structure kind of, but I'm not counting this because it's so small you can't even see it. So the weekly is bearish, the daily is currently bearish, lower low, lower high. So we didn't close above this structure point, so we are bearish and we are expecting to the downside, to go to the downside, the move. In the 4 hour we are currently bullish, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and we are here, we are creating kind of double top. So I will wait for the break of this double top, the retest of the neckline, and go to the downside. This will be so nice and easy trade. The next one, GBP JPY. So the weekly is bearish. In this price action I like it a lot because we are touching the EMA and also the weekly area of interest. Why this is the weekly area of interest? Because we have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, if we extend it 4 touch, in here 5 touches. So this is the weekly area of interest. We are bearish in the weekly and we are also bearish in the daily, and we have touching the EMA and we are coming to the daily area of interest. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there is a lot of touches in this area and we are expecting we come to this area, create some kind of doji, stop, price will stop here, and then we will go to the downside. So in the 4 hour we are bullish, higher high, higher low, higher high. So here I will just go to my lower time frame and I will wait for the shift of structure. So this is like this. And CHF JPY, we are currently bullish, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, and this is coming here, higher low, to go to the upside. So the weekly is bullish, we are coming to the daily. The daily is currently bullish and we have this massive move to the upside. This is the engulfing candlestick. It means the price is very, very bullish here. And also the 4 hour, we are bullish, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. So I will just need the higher low to come retest the structure points and also the daily area of interest, the weekly area of interest, and go to the upside. So this is very, very nice trade. But this is JPY pair. As you guys can see, the NZD JPY in GBP JPY, we are looking for short, but CHF JPY we are looking for long. So I will just see for my shift of structure and my confluences to go to the upside in this pair. We are coming to the next pair, which is USD JPY. So here we are already retest this weekly area of interest, and every time we are coming to this area we are going to the upside. As you guys can see, 1, 2 and 3, there is a lot of big rejection from this area, and this is the weekly area. So the weekly is bearish. The daily we are bullish, guys, higher high, we are expecting the higher low to go to the upside. In the 4 hour we are creating left head and right shoulder. So we will come back, retest this area, and here I will look for my entry signal to go to the upside. This is really easy trade. This is not even counter trend trade because the daily in the 4 hour is bullish. So we have 2 time frame in sync. The next one, Euro NZD. So we are bullish in the weekly and we are coming to retest this previous structure point, as you guys can see, and we have nice weekly kind of doji, kind of rejection candlestick. It means the price will be bullish here. And we also have the daily bullish, higher high and higher low. We are retesting the EMA and we have this daily area of interest. So here, as you guys can see, the 4 hour we are bearish. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And this didn't close above, so this is just the structure point. So this is like kind of head and shoulder pattern. It will create like this, right shoulder, and then we will go to the upside, break this resistance, and we will come retest it and go to the upside. So this is nice pair. Euro AUD. In Euro AUD, this is counter trend trade because the weekly is bullish, the daily is also bullish, and we have this daily area of interest. So I will just wait for the break, the retest, and go to the downside. This was also my last pair, my last week pair, and here, as you guys can see, it was create really nice lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and here was this my entry signal, the engulfing candlestick. So I was want to take this trade here, put my stop loss above the structure point and go to the downside. But why I didn't take? Because first it was 8:30 a.m. and it was Friday and it was not London session. So London session, when it's kicking, as you guys can see, boom, the price just go to the upside. So for that reason, you just need to wait for the London session, which is 9 o'clock here in my country, but I don't know about you. So you just need to wait for the London session or to the New York session, and then you need to take the trade. So it was not my session, and also it was Friday. In Friday I'm not taking trades, and then it was counter trend trade, which is really risky. So, and there was no volume. The next one, Euro CHF. So the weekly is bearish, the daily it's also bearish, lower low, lower high to go to the downside. In the 4 hour we are bullish. So here I will also wait for, we have 2 time frame in sync, so I will just wait for my shift of structure, or I will just wait for the break of this structure point, like break, retest to go to the downside, or I will just go to my 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour, as you guys can see, left head, and this was the right shoulder, we broke. So I will wait for this retest in my entry signal if it gave me. If not, if this have like this kind of move to go to the downside, then I will just wait for the retest to go to the downside. So easy, so simple. The next one, AUD CAD, weekly is bearish, the daily is also bearish, and we have this kind of consolidation zone. So it's good because the price will have big move to the downside or to the upside. So the daily is also bearish. In the 4 hour we are bullish. This was the lower low, lower high, lower low, structure point, higher high, and we are now just kind of consolidating. So I will wait for the break, the retest to go to the downside. Guys, this was the next week pair. See you, and please like, subscribe, comment. If you want to join my free Telegram, I will put the link in the description, and also I will make some kind of new videos, not just the weekly analysis. There will be new videos, it will come. Just I'm little bit busy. When I'm free, I will give a lot of time to YouTube. In 1 week maybe I will make 2 or 3 videos every week. So whatever question, suggestion, and also which kind of videos you want, just put the comment, and I will check it out. Thank you. Bye.